What's good, YouTube? My name's Nick. This is a channel that I talk about cars on called Automotive. I'm actually in a Honda Element that is not my own today because, as you know, I'm a big fan of the Honda Element, and I convinced my brother to get one. He's also a big fan of them. It wasn't that much work for me to convince him, but let's check this out. I want to know what you think about the price that he paid for it because it's pretty low miles and it's nice. Alright, so this is a 2010 Honda Element, and I believe there are 110,000 miles on it. Let me check on that really quick. So, specs on this are, it's a 2010 Honda Element LX. It has 128,000 miles on it. One of the coolest things about this particular Element, and reasons why I think it was a good purchase, was it was actually only 2 owners, and it still has the original owner's manual, technology reference guide, and consumer information packet, which is just something you don't see very often, and I think that's super dope. I'd love to have this for my Element. And it's got this cool little Honda holder thing. This thing runs super smooth, good brakes, fairly new tires, and I think overall this is a really solid vehicle. I say that knowing I'm completely biased because it's a Honda Element and it's been very well detailed and cleaned and in pretty good shape. So take that however you want. So the Element LX has power windows up front, pop-out windows on the back doors that fold open backwards to give you that big open space to put things in. It doesn't have all the options that you might want if you're looking for a new Element. The EX versions have a rear sunroof. Some of them have like a power outlet in the back, like a cigarette lighter adapter in the back already installed. And then there's tons of other options. If you want to check out the channel, I've done a bunch of videos on the things that I have on mine, at least some of them, and some of the things I enjoy about the Element. But in general, I think this is one of the cleanest Honda Elements that I've seen in recent years. Actual price for the car was $11,900. Again, it's a 2010 Honda Element LX with 128,000 miles and 2 owners. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. Was it a good deal? I think so. It's hard to find Elements in this good a shape at this point, and if you really love the Honda Element, or if you want a Honda Element, you gotta put up the money. You gotta put your money where your mouth is, so to speak. So anyway, my name's Nick. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit subscribe. Definitely check out the other videos on the channel. I got a lot of Honda Element on the channel already and plenty more in the works. Probably doing some mods on this Element, to be honest. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.